Whew. All right, so what are we gonna do today? Come on, let's spin the wheel. Come on, come on. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All right, this is gonna be fun. Woo! It's removed by Diana Ross.
What's up, everyone? So, I had to finish this at home, but let's get started. So, what if I told you that you're not losing with money because you're bad with money? You're losing because you're playing the wrong game. Most people, they play checkers with their finances, one move at a time, reacting to life. But wealth is chess, positioning, sequence, risk, protection, and cash flow and strategy, of course, right? So today I'm going to be showing you how to think about money like a grandmaster, not just someone moving pieces. Welcome back. I'm Jason Vasquez, wealth strategist. If you want a financial strategy that looks through the entire board, it's not just the next move. You're in the right place. All right, so in chess, people lose not just from one mistake, but from position. The king gets boxed in. You lose options. You run out of good moves. That's what happens in money when you react to cash flow instead of designing it. Chase returns instead of building protection. And, ignore those taxes instead of positioning advantage. By the time you realize that it's over, it feels sudden, but it wasn't. The checkmate started much, much earlier. So let's map your financial life to a chessboard so the rest makes sense. Now, if we were to assign roles to the different chess pieces, here's what they would be. The king is cash flow because if it stops, the game ends. That means income, business profits, rents, annuity payouts, any reliable money that's coming in. Now, the queen would be income-producing businesses and real estate. Think multifamily, real estate, and business ownership because these move the board and they create options and mobility. The rooks would be your business entities and tax structure. That's your LLCs, S corporations, and C corporations, which are foundational. They shape how you're taxed, how you protect liability, and how you scale. And bishops are your protection and insurance, so any life insurance, disability, or even liability coverage, these guard your wealth so you don't get wiped out by events that you didn't predict. Now the knights, those are advanced investing, such as separately managed accounts or even direct indexing, which give you precision and tax control, not just generic exposure. These are your custom pieces because they're flexible and strategic. And last but not least are pawns, right? Pawns are going to be your income and savings. Sometimes underrated, pawns win games if coordinated well, and disciplined savings and strategy, well, that's for cash flow expansion. If you already feel like you're thinking in moves instead of strategy, subscribe because this channel is about wealth strategy, not hype. So let's face it, checkers players, they react. Chess players, they plan. If your financial plan only holds up when nothing goes wrong, well, that's checkers. Now, I can hear some people saying,
as long as I'm saving and investing in the market, the life is good.
Or,
my 401k will carry me and I'll just keep earning.
It's this mindset that ignores taxes, risk, cash flow, and continuity. Investing with tax awareness matters. Strategies like separately managed accounts and direct indexing let you own securities directly, harvest tax losses often, and tailor your exposure, something traditional index funds can't always do. And just owning a 401k or IRA isn't bad, but it's one piece. Chess players use multiple tools that talk to each other. Here's Robert Kiyosaki's asset mental model. An asset, by definition here, is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes it out. Most people confuse the two, even thinking that the house that they live in is an asset. In chess, a strong opening sets the board for decades of strategy. Now, you might be thinking to yourself,
well, structured for later. I need to make money now.
Well, without structure, more money often means more holes. All right, so think business entities. LLC for liability protection, S Corp for potential self-employment tax savings, and C corporations, which works for scale, reinvestment, and certain benefits. Getting these entity structures early means that you shape profit, not just earn profit. And taxes aren't a distant concept. High earners are literally losing money because tax inefficiencies silently shape portfolio value, especially in active mutual funds. Sacrifice isn't loss, it's positioning for advantage. But some people might say,
Fees are bad. Insurance is a waste. Annuities are ripoffs.
you know, this is checkers thinking, right? Because they're only thinking short term. So protection has to come first. Life insurance isn't a gamble, it's downside management. And annuities, they're not universally great or bad either. If they're structured the right way, they can offer guaranteed future income streams that reduce sequence of returns risk. Scale players use every tool that fits their mission, not tools that feel comfortable. Alright, so you protect the king so you can attack. So when someone says,
I'll just invest everything. Protection steals returns.
well, ignoring defense doesn't make risk disappear, it concentrates it. Minimizing tax leakage is a force multiplier. It's why some sophisticated investing strategies use direct indexing within separately managed accounts. It gives the investor tax alpha not normally available inside mutual funds. And remember, positive cash flow acts like defense. It buys you time in downturns, just like Grant Cardone emphasizes with multifamily real estate that generates rent-backed income. Chess wins with patience. Wealth wins with time. Now, some people are just impatient and they say,
I just want the highest returns, fast.
those high returns that knock you out of the game aren't winning. Grant Cardone's company, Cardone Capital, has amassed billions of dollars in multifamily assets, emphasizing cash flow and long-term income over speculation. Alex and Layla Hormozi's journey with Acquisition.com highlights consistent offer and operations optimization that drives repeatable, defensible growth rather than just quick flips. Robert Kiyosaki's assets put money in your pocket framework is foundational to long-term economic resilience. So, wealth is not one move. It's not luck. You win by building cash flow, protecting your downside, and harnessing tax efficiency, and of course, scaling with the right tools. Now, if this changed how you think about money, hit like, subscribe to me, and of course, share this with someone playing checkers with their finances. And if you want help building your own financial chessboard, check the links below, or even comment. I read those too. Now let's take the concepts that you just heard, cash flow, protection, strategy, and bring it to music. Here's a piece that paints money like chess, not checkers, but it's on a beat.
I came up, now they say I'm the man. Head plans in my head, never stuck to the land. You don't really know what you up against. I've been thinking ahead, always one step advanced. You ain't never been low with the dream. Counting every dollar, still nothing to eat. Everybody talk when the numbers look clean. Different story when the pressure increased. I traded impulse for patience. Traded quick wins for placement. Lost a few times but learned the arrangement. Now every move come with calculation. Board stays set when I'm making a play. I don't rush, I just let it rotate. Checkmate mindset, I'm ready to stay. I don't move off emotion, I'm playing the game. Energy when I got my queen beside me. Never move sloppy, this game don't try me. Foundation solid, every step guide me. Every night legendary, they stand behind me. I won't be a pawn in another man's move. Cross that line once, you check real smooth. Position myself, I was win, I lose. Checkmate mentality. It's everybody flex when the lights on bright. Same ones vanish when the price get high. Everybody bold when the market right. Different tone when the margin tight. They say slow money, that it never make you rich, but fast money, quick to make you slip. I seen kings fall over, one bad risk. Whole board flip, now they plead and wish. I don't chase noise, I read the room. I don't rush plays, I let them assume. Every step measured, every lane groomed. I don't move first, cause I let them move. They want quick wins, I want control. They play checkers, I play it cold. I don't need luck when the setup true. I just wait my turn, then I make my move. King energy when I got my queen beside me. Never move sloppy, this game don't try me. Foundation solid, every step guide me. Every night legendary, they stand behind me. I won't be a pawn in another man's move. Cross that line once, get checked real smooth. Position myself, I was winning, I lose. Checkmate mentality. It's your move. Now I'm calm with the chaos live. Same pressure, but it hit me different. I don't flinch when the numbers dip. I've been built for this, I've been disciplined. I don't brag about wins, I let them show. Styling steps, but the board still glow. Every piece where it's supposed to go. Now they watch it close, try to decode. I don't fold plans for a moment's itch. I don't chase thrills, I don't over switch. I've seen empires fall from one bad slip. That's why every move gotta come with grip. Board set clean, everything smooth. Every lane open when I slide my move. Checkmate energy, nothing to prove. Your turn now, yeah, it's your move. King energy when I got my queen beside me. Never move sloppy, this game don't try me. Foundation solid, every step guide me. Every night legendary, they stand behind me. I won't be a pawn in another man's move. Cross that line once, get checked real smooth. Position myself, I was winning, I lose. Checkmate mentality. It's your move. King energy when I got my queen beside me. Never move sloppy, this game don't try me. Foundation solid, every step guide me. Every night legendary, they stand behind me. I won't be a pawn in another man's move. Cross that line once, get checked real smooth. Position myself, I was winning, I lose. Checkmate mentality. It's your move. Energy when I got my queen beside me. Never move sloppy, this game don't try me. Foundation solid, every step guide me. Every night legendary, they stand behind me. I won't be a pawn in another man's move. Cross that line once, get checked real smooth. Position myself, I was winning, I lose. Checkmate mentality. It's your move.